Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we will be doing a quick haul. So this is a Costco shopping haul and I'll make this quick because we have a frozen food that needs to be put in the fridge. We got flowers and this normally costs $17 and some change, but we only got it for $7.99. It's a good deal. The second item is this bread. This is the bread that we got. It's a 2-pack, nature owned. Yeah, so that's it. I don't know how much is the price because we don't have the price. My husband is dancing, he's cleaning outside. So yeah, we got a hamburger bread, and this is it. Dun, 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 dun. I've been craving for soup for a couple of days now, and we got this hand-wrapped shrimp wonton ramen with yuchoy. Yan. This one is mandarin orange chicken. So a lot of chicken, guys, because we have an empty fridge. So after this shopping haul, I'm gonna show you how I organize this in the freezer and the fridge. This one is a Philly cheesesteak. Well, this looks good, love.
That's what I want for lunch.
This is our favorite burger because this is so quick and easy. You just have to put it in the microwave and it's done. Dinner is served. We got the vegetable spring roll. Like, I used to make a spring roll from scratch, but I haven't done it for such a long time. I think the last time that I made spring roll was in Grand Prairie. My husband is hungry and he's telling me to hurry up.
No, I love your spring roll.
Oh, okay. So this is a bunch of chickens, like I told you earlier, guys. So this is a Tyson chicken breast. So we got a bulk buy because it's cheaper to get. And I got kimchi. This is a chicken coconut curry with mango. And we got a bunch of vegetable blend stir fry. Yeah, this is so good. So we got a ground beef. So this is like 5 pounds. Okay, we got a scented garbage bag. This is not exactly what we use, but they don't have the same thing. I love that lavender bag. It so smells good. I love it. So that's it, guys. I will be showing you how I organized it in our fridge and the freezer. So yeah, I'll make this quick because the frozen food will get bad, and I also make lunch for my amazing and awesome husband. So this is the water that we got. We actually still have some water, but we just purchased another one because we don't want to go back and forth. And we got the Pepsi. So I'm gonna put the stuff right now inside, and the reflection of the fridge is showing my ring light. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you the before and after. This is our food as of the moment. So hindi kami nakapag-grocery. We still have a cake right there. Ayan. So that's the situation right now. Yan. So that's the and this is ta-da! This is the only thing that we have in our fridge or in our freezer. So we will gonna make it full. Okay, let's do this. So let's close this one first. So these. This will go to the freezer.
I don't know. Let me read the. I think it just refrigerated. Keep refrigerated. Prepare freeze by 9:25. Refrigerator.
I I'm so malusog, guys. I'm not fat, I'm just malusog. Whoever would say I'm fat, we're not friends, okay?
Don't worry, guys. I'm curious too. How is all this stuff gonna fit in there? I don't know. But we'll find out. Because Jackie's an amazing wife and she can do all sorts of crazy stuff. I love my wife. She's got it figured out now. She's in the clincher, the home. She's got it.
I'm just shoving everywhere. I'm gonna close it because the fridge is yelling at me. Oh my gosh, I thought it's done. You still have something in here. I don't know how to make it fit. This is in the
Freezer.
Ooh, it fits. Hi, so yan, tapos na tayong grocery shopping haul, and then I already put everything inside the fridge and the freezer. So, hindi siya yung napakagandang organization part ng fridge. Kasi I just showed everything because I'm tired. Because we woke up 6:30 a.m. because we went to church. Then we did grocery shopping. And now, the fridge is yelling at me to stop. Okay, so I'll stop now. Yan, ito lang yung fridge namin. So, ito, this is from Bacolod. Nung pumunta si John sa Bacolod, binagyan ko siya ng ganito. I think hindi pala. Pinadala ko to sa kanya. Kasi yung friend ko na si Sharon. Hello Sharon! Shout out to you. Pumunta siya ng US, so pinadala ko sa kanya. And then this one is from Johnson Space Center when we went to Houston, NASA. This is from Johnny Boy. And then, I love you, Johnny. This is a note that I wrote when we went to the hotel in Houston, I guess, in Hyatt Hotel in Houston. So this is Firefly, and this is our notes again. I already showed you this way back when we were in Grand Prairie, and then yeah, so it wasn't changed for such a long time. We're going to open it right now, and don't be surprised because this is not really the fancy ones. I just showed everything in there. So, let's get started! Okay guys, so yan, we start from the fridge. So, ito yung sa taas namin. So, we got the Pepsi right there and the beer. And then, on this aisle, we got the flour. We keep it refrigerated. And then, we got the water. We got this kiwi. And then, this is my juice. Kimchi. This is ito, ano to siya, spinach. And then, ito, yung mga tira-tira kong, what do you call that? Ito, yung half na onion. Nilalagay ko siya sa, ayan. So, this is the eggs. Yan. Yan yung eggs, guys. And then, dito ko din nilagay yung burrito, breakfast, burrito. And then, we got the cake in there. So, we got the bread. And then a lot of bread. We got the tortillas. This is for the chili dogs bread. Another tortillas. This is yeah, for the French toast. Ayan. Those are just the bread. And dito naman, ayan, dito siya yung ito lulutuin to namin for when it gets cold. Ayan. Yung mga vegetables, may lemon. Oops. Ayan. And this side naman, yung mga dairies. Ayan. So this is, yeah, meron kaming cinnamon rolls, barbecue, cheese. And then we got this milk. So we use the 2%. Yeah, we use the organic 2% milk kasi si John mapili yung tiyan niya. You get the ketchup, then the beef broth. This is my juice. This is the what do you call this? Syrup, yeah, for waffles. And then this is the jelly. And this side is the chili sauce, the Worcestershire sauce that I can't pronounce. It's so hard to pronounce. Soy sauce, the mustard, and oyster, and then this is our favorite Valentina spicy sauce, hot sauce. And then itong baso na to, guys, this is for our daughter, future daughter, Abigail, pero ginamit muna namin. Meron na kaming mga baby items for our future Abigail. Sabi ni Jan, gamitin na muna dito. Yan. Ito yung nakukuha namin sa mga fast food. Ito, I think, sa Jack in the Box. Ayan. Yan na siya. Okay, so in this side, let's move on. So this side is the freezer. So yan yung freezer namin. Ito dati pa to naming binili sa Walmart. Ito yung ayan, guys, pinagkakasya ko lang siya, guys. Ayan. Ayan pa siya. And then I put those chicken right there at the bottom. So, ayan. And this side, this is onion rings. This is the limeade. This is still the gravy. Ito yung Philly kasi hindi siya magkasya. So, kinuha ko siya sa box niya. Tsaka nilagay ko dyan. So, yan. That's it. Alright, guys. So, that's it. That is a short video for our grocery shopping haul. And also for I showed you a little bit about how I organize the fridge, and it's not really that exciting because I'm not really good in organizing stuff. And yeah, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new here, thank you so much for watching until the end. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you for keep coming back. And I hope that you continue on supporting my channel. Again, thank you so much, everybody. And my husband is coming.